Team ZaZa, what up? It's an unboxing, man. You know what time it is. Something special, man. Let's break open this box and see what it do.
Like, comment, share, subscribe, you heard me?
Yeah, you know it.
Turn up the leaf blower and the lawnmower. He smoked the sour. Should've been a hippie, should've been a shower. Bread with no dread, black cock, oh yeah.
Another thing, don't forget to join the Discord.
Use the key since they right here. What's up, gang? What y'all been up to, man? I know I've been kind of away for a minute, but it's all good. Yo, y'all make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe, man. It's gonna help the algorithm, and it's gonna keep me motivated to keep pushing videos. You know, I've been going for a minute, but we're on a new journey, and I wanted to give y'all a little bit of update on what's going on with Team ZaZa, and do this unboxing too. Feel me? So, if you see here, we got a bag. We got a bag. This has been here for a couple of days, so that should give you a hint. Anybody got an idea what's in this box here? Oh gosh, you can probably see it. What's in this box based on this bag? I don't know. If you know, take a guess, man. Or if you know, drop it in the comments. This is it, man. This is okay. All right, it's the Max Yield bin, man. Shout out to Max Yield bin. Okay, some nice sauce. So that should kind of give you an idea what we got going on here, man. This Max Yield bin right here, trying to give you an idea where our next journey into education is headed. Oh yeah, you should have a real good idea where this next educational journey is headed, man. We're going straight into mycology, gang. Y'all know what time it is. They say this is one of the best bins on the market. All right, we're gonna see about that. Shout out to Max Yield bin, man. And so right now we're doing blue meanies, man. We inoculated the blue meanies, and just yesterday, last night. So this will be our first run, and get the ball off my couch, and it's gonna be an exciting trip, man. It's gonna be an exciting journey. So Team ZaZa, as a group, we are entering this space of education. So I'm excited, and no place else better to start with the best. We said this is the best, so put the mushrooms on top. Yeah, man. So I just started my bag yesterday, so I'll take y'all into. I know I keep grabbing the camera because I want to take y'all over there. Let's go over there. Let's just go over there. We'll go to the tent. Let's go over to the tent, gang. Shout out to the good vibes, man. You did. And that's it, man. You got that little girl? I got that girl living on top of the. I don't know. Hopefully we can keep the sterile with her in the way. Yeah, whatever. Back up, dude. Back up, dude. Crazy odds, back up. Yeah, so that's it, gang. DeadOps OG, man. If you need some DeadOps OG, make sure you hit us up, man. ZaZakinetics.com. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe to this video. This is the beginning of a journey, man. So it'll be a several part series, and I'm excited, man. So make sure, don't forget, comment, like, subscribe, man. That's all I'm asking for. I gotta record this thing, edit and produce it out for y'all. So that's kind of why I've been away for a minute, but I'm back, man. Shout out to AC Infinity. Make sure y'all follow the partners at acinfinity.com, and of course, I got y'all looking at the Spring TV. I know normally there would be that up there, but make sure y'all follow ZaZagenetics.com, man. Join the website. I am it's been a payment processing issue. I know you guys are looking for an easy way, but we finally resolved our issues with the payment processor. It's still seeds, so we gotta make sure we do everything legitimately and by the rules. So that's kind of what been the hold up, man. So I'm back, and hit me in the DM, join us on Discord, and make sure you follow the gang, man. If you want to join Team ZaZa, y'all know how to do it through the Patreon, man. And other than that, visit ZaZagenetics.com, man. We got a couple more videos dropping, so I'll see y'all soon, man. We out of here.